If you're not already using search loss impression share data to help scale your Google ads, then you're going to love what I'm going to show you here because it's going to really help you understand what levers you need to be pulling on in order to get more out of your account and your campaigns in general. So let's take a look at this here. Now, first things first, I'm in Google Ads, I've gone to campaigns, and I've actually selected a campaign here so that we can just isolate and look at one specific campaign to start with. I'm going to scroll over to the right here, and I don't really have search loss impression share data here to begin with. So what I need to do is click on columns, click modify, and then if you put IS, that's going to be the abbreviation for impression share. And that's going to pull up a whole bunch of different metrics relating to impression share. The ones that we want to start with are search loss impression share from budget and rank. I like to start with budget, and then we can do rank after that. When we check these, it's going to add them here actually. So if we click apply, now we can see our search loss impression share here. I think it's a little bit tough to see all the way in the corner there, so I'm actually going to drop these two down below here. And then there are more. If we go here and do a search for IS again, there's top impression share, there's just impression share. Actually, I don't see that here, but there's a bunch of different variations. Actually, I think it's just if you just do a search for impression share, search impression share, this is what it is. It's abbreviated, but if we add that one in, yeah, it's this very first one up here. And sometimes search top impression share can be helpful too. I'll add those four in here. Let's adjust these here. Something's going on. I don't know what. Let's pull these two down here. Click save. All right, now it's a little easier to see what's going on. All right, so now we have search loss impression share from budget, search loss impression share from rank, and search impression share and search top impression share. Now you can see as I hover over the top of each of these columns, it's actually showing me the definition of what each of these are. I invite you to read these, have a quick look through, and get a full understanding of what it is. But from a high level, search loss impression share from budget is impressions that you weren't able to get because your budget was too low, in simple terms, right? And then search loss impression share from rank is impression share that you weren't getting because your rank was too low, your ad rank. And that's kind of like the score that Google gives your ads based on a bunch of different factors. And then there's search impression share. So this is actually how much of the impression share you did get, or at least the search impression share. And then search top impression share. So that's how much of the top impression share you got. And when we talk about top impression share, we're talking about the top organic results up at the top of Google, right? So it's like rank number 1, 2, or 3 on Google. I believe the absolute top impression share is rank number 1, and then top impression share is like showing up in the top of the search results rather than having to scroll all the way to the bottom of the search results to see the ads. Of course, showing up at the very top of Google is going to get you more clicks because that's most of the clicks go to the top search results on Google anyways, right? So it's important to keep track of where our ads are being impacted. Now, scaling this campaign, if I were to look at this and say, okay, I want to scale this up, what do I need to do here? Well, I'm seeing that we're at 35% search loss impression share from budget, which tells me right off the hop that all I need to do is increase the actual ad spend budget on this campaign, and it's going to start to deliver more impression share and typically more clicks, more leads, more sales, etc. And it's going to do so at relatively similar costs to what we're paying currently. Now, if our search loss impression share from budget was at 0 and we scaled the budget up, The only thing that would really happen is it would potentially it would allow us to pay more for clicks, which could get us more conversions, but those conversions would also cost more, so we'd have to look, is it really worth, is the juice worth the squeeze, so to speak, right? Is what we're getting more valuable in terms of the profit left over at the end than what we're investing to get those additional conversions? That's something you kind of have to assess on your end, depending on your business. But there is also the there's another side of the coin, right? Which is like you can scale the budget up, but this budget is actually based on the parameters in your account currently. So, for instance, in this campaign, the best thing to do might be to broaden the keywords, add in some additional keywords, switch from exact match to phrase match. There are some things we could do potentially, maybe even increase the geographic targeting, but ways that we could get in front of more people who are searching by not increasing the budget, right? So after we've tapped out this search loss impression share from budget, that doesn't necessarily mean that there's no other ways to get more traffic by increasing the budget. We might just have to adjust other parameters in the account, like target keywords, target geographic area, things of that nature. So keep that in mind. Then the other side of the coin, which is when we're going to scale, we want to make sure our ads are ranked high on Google. And so that's the search loss impression share from rank. And so if our ads are providing a poor user experience, Google's not going to want to show them up at the very top of the search results, and it's going to instead show them at the very bottom, and that's going to prevent our ads from being seen. Like if our ads show up on page 2 of Google and nobody goes to page 2 when they do a search, then our ads are not going to show up, right? And so we could be missing out on impression share just because the performance of the ads is not great. And usually it's a issue of user experience. That's going to be like when somebody does a search, does your ad match what they just searched for? And when they click your ad, does that match up with like the landing page that they see? Does that match up with what they're searching for as well? It's like congruency essentially. And if all of that lines up and everything's looking great and your campaign's healthy and everything, then your ad rank should be high. So if we're having trouble scaling and our search loss impression share from rank is at 99%, then it doesn't matter how much budget we put towards this campaign, it's not going to scale because it's not performing great and Google's not ranking our ads, and so they're not getting impressions, they're not getting clicks, it's not going to perform, nothing's going to happen, right? So again, these numbers here can give us a really deep understanding of what is needed in order to scale up a campaign. So I invite you to learn as much as you can about these different metrics, study them. You'll start to make sure you add them into your columns so you can actually see them on your campaigns, but you'll start to notice, okay, hey, when I increase the budget, search loss impression share from budget decreased by this amount. I find the sweet spot is to have maybe 5% left or so, and that kind of gives you some wiggle room to where you're not paying a ton more for clicks, and so you can get the most profitable ads essentially running for your business. But again, play around with it, and you're gonna kind of have to just see what works in any given situation. There's no exact silver bullet that's just like, hey, do this, and you're gonna, be able to manage your impression share perfectly. But if there is anything you did have questions about, or if you even wanted us to do a deep dive in your account, we do offer a free Google Ads account analysis. I'll leave a link down below where you can get signed up. If you qualify, if you're, have an actual business that's spending money on Google Ads, we can analyze your account and give you some ideas. Like we could, for instance, take a look at your search loss impression share from budget and rank and probably give you some indicators of what things need to be adjusted in your account in order to get better performance. And we'll do that absolutely free as long as you qualify. So again, check the link down in the description below, and I'll see you on the other side. Look, if you're the type of person that just doesn't even want to deal with Google Ads anymore, then you can always reach out to me. My company is Missoula SEO Geek.
I'll leave a link to my website down below, but we do manage Google Ads for different companies and different industries, and you can come learn about what we do, what makes us unique. You can even read some of the testimonials from some businesses that we've taken from 0 to over $1 million in revenue, like this one here. And really just see that, this is the type of thing that's going to explode your business growth. So feel free to reach out. You can always give us a call or contact us through our website, and look forward to working with you.